All right, guys, we've got the anyloop smartwatch for men and women. I believe that anyloop has basically become, I would say, the top smartwatch brand on Amazon, where you don't want to pay an arm and a leg from the big companies like Apple or Samsung or whatever the other companies are. These watches, I've tested out a couple of them. They are very nice watches. The band is super high quality, super lightweight, and the watch itself is low profile and very similar to the phone or the watches that, you know, are pretty up there. Let's just say these are good. They work. They're great for activity, like tracking your steps, tracking your workouts, tracking your sleep, your heart rate, all that kind of stuff. Very cool. Let's see how this works.
All right, guys. So the first thing we do is we need to scan to bind this. So what we're going to do is just put that on our phone, and then that's going to take us to the download. All right. So now we've got that, and now we're going to get this all tracked together, and then I'm going to show you how it looks once we're done. So we can see how easily it finds. Here we go. Look at that. Agree. Pair. And then we can allow to receive notifications or not. And dude, we're done. We're done, guys. Look at the app. It shows you how much battery life it has. Let's see what all you can do. You can track your sleep, heart rate. So it's going to track all this stuff and keep it up to date for you. So I think that's very cool. Let's go ahead and look at the device itself now. Let me put it on. We'll take a look at all the different things that it has to offer. I love how light. This is such a light design, dude. Like especially if you're using this for activity, this is just, there we go. All right. So we can just go through. So we have messages, guys. So it'll give us messages. We can use it for calls if we want. Let's just scroll through everything. This is where it's going to show activity, heart rate. You've got heart rate here. Let's go ahead and track that. It's running it right now. There we go. So heart rate tracks, so you can track your sleep. It'll show you the weather. You can play music with it, all from your phone, or from your all from the watch, or from your phone. It's connected with your phone, so that is definitely the cool thing about it. Wow, this is fun. This is a fun device, you know, like. If you're looking for a watch, a smart watch, but you don't want to pay an arm and a leg, I mean, dude, this is the one to get. Let's be honest. It looks cool. It is cool. It tracks with your phone. You need to get it. Last thing I want to say, you can actually change the face of the watch very easily. So we'll sync the watch face and we'll watch as it changes. All right, so I'm going to show the end of it here. So it's uploading right now, the new watch face. So you can see from the watch and from the phone that it's about to complete. And I think that's one of the things I like about this. It's so versatile. You know, you can make it kind of look however you want, but it's just got this sleek design. It's going to be very easy to find other. There you go. There's the new watch. So there are tons of different watch faces, guys. I mean, this is so customizable, whether you're a kid maybe. There's just options for everyone. The fact that it tracks activity, I think it's super important for us to be active, guys. You know, we live in a crazy world, and there's a lot of food and junk and toxicity, and this phone helps us be healthier.